Hi everyone, I have something special for you today. It's also fun and free. Do you want to highlight moments in your videos and make them fun and stylish? Well, in this easy, quick tutorial, I'll show you how. At the end, you'll see the end result, but let's dive in. First, click the link in the video description. ToonMe is a free app on your phone. After downloading it, choose one of your videos. Upload it. What's next? Now you have to choose the parts of your video you want to change. Click here. Choose one by one and they appear above. As you can see, you can choose 4. Now that you've chosen your 4 moments, let's choose one of the styles. Do it one by one. You have to wait while each one is processing. Don't worry, it's quick. See the result and download it. Let me show you mine. Great, isn't it? Tell me which one you prefer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that I can keep on bringing you fantastic content. See you on my next video.